We know that the heart is the dual pump of the body, which is a significant component of the cardiovascular system. That functions mainly by pumping blood throughout the body, through a closed network of tubes called blood vessels. Detailed physiology of the heart is explained in our previous videos. You can check out there. Here in this video, we will focus on the structures that enable the heart to perform its functions properly, so that by the end of this video lecture, you'll be confident in your knowledge about the location of the heart, where we will learn its exact location in the chest, the coverings of the heart, the surfaces of the heart, where we will learn the anatomical structures of the heart from all sides, such as its anterior surface, posterior surface, and inferior surface. Then we will look at the chambers and great vessels of the heart. After that, we will learn about the anatomy of the heart valves, where we will learn about the semoliner valves and atrioventricular valves. Then we will try to understand the coronary vessels, including the arterial supply of the heart and the venous drainage of the heart. Well, it's not the end. There is more to come. In this video, we will also learn about the conduction system of the heart. And last but not least, we will learn about the nerve supply of the heart. So I can assure you that at the end of this video, you must have not only learned, but also memorized about this detailed anatomy of the heart, because I am going to tell you some fun ways to learn some of the anatomical structures. Till now, you must be very excited to learn all these things, so without wasting any time, let's get started.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.